I'm Dr. Yasmin Elamir. I'm an endocrinologist and I treat diabetes every single day, and I happen to be a diabetic myself. So when I heard that the US government just cut funding from the Diabetes Prevention Program Outcome Study, I felt sick. This study was our best shot at understanding what really causes diabetes. Not just lifestyle, not just diet, but why it works for some and fails for others. It showed that healthy habits can reduce diabetes by 58%. But what about the 42% that it didn't help? That's where the next breakthrough could have come from. And we didn't just lose a diabetes study. We lost 30 years of data that could have answered bigger questions. Questions about Alzheimer's, dementia, cancer, and even environmental toxins like PFAS. They were already collecting blood samples and exposure histories. The research was happening, it was working, and now it's gone because of politics, not science. Now, I've heard Robert F. Kennedy Jr. speak passionately about autism and environmental toxins. He says we need better research, real transparency, and environmental accountability, and I totally agree. But here's the thing. This study was that opportunity. We didn't need to build something new, we could have expanded on what we already had. Instead, the funding was pulled, quietly and entirely. Maybe RFK didn't know this was happening. Maybe Secretary Becerra wasn't told what we were losing. So I'm asking, not accusing both of you. If you care about the root causes of chronic illness, join me in demanding that they reinstate the DPP study. To every leader, regardless of party, don't let 30 years of public health research die in silence. Sign the petition, share the message, and let's make decisions based on data, not drama. Because reversing diabetes isn't a red or blue issue, it's a human one.